Okay, folks, this is a quick video telling you how to complete this code practice assignment. On this sheet, once you open it on Google Classroom, you're going to want to make a copy of it. So I would do File, Make a Copy, and just put your last name at the beginning of the file name. And hit OK. I've got to move this real quick. You don't have to do this part. This is on my own thing. You just want to add your last name there. And hit OK. Okay, once you have your file open, you know it's yours because it has your last name up here. Okay, so now you can make your edits here. Just a quick note, I do have copies of this, hard copies of this. If it's easier for you to look at it on paper and type it into MakeCode, then you can do that. You can use that. The one difference on the printouts is I do not have the name of what you're supposed to save them as on there, but they are on the digital copy right here. Like where it says screenshot, then it'll tell you what to save it as. Those are not written out on the hard copies, but you can look back on the digital if you want to. So on this assignment, you have 5 code practices, and what I'm providing you is the input sensor and the output sensor, and then in this section, you're given a description of what type of program you should be creating in MakeCode. So you're going to switch over to MakeCode, create a program that does what's explained right here, and then you will screenshot your work and paste it right here. You will also need to save your work in MakeCode each time. So today you'll be making 5 files in MakeCode. Below this screenshot, you are provided some hints to help you out if you need it. Okay. And then you just keep going down the sheet. This is code practice number 2, and so on. Like I said, there are 5 of them on this sheet. You do not need the equipment out. You're just working on the programming part of this. We're not actually putting the hardware together today since I'm not there, but this will get you thinking about it. So for example, if I'm ready to get started, I want to make sure that I'm going to switch over to MakeCode, and I need a new file to get started. So I'm going to hit New Project, and as I get started, I'm going to take out this untitled, and I'm going to call it Code Practice 1, and then I'm going to put my last name. Okay, so I've got this file saved. I'm ready to start coding on the first one. When you're ready to move to the second one, make sure you start a new file. Do not do all of these in one file. You need a separate file for each one, and you're going to call it Code Practice 1, Code Practice 2, blah, 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 with your last name. Okay? Like I told you, I'm at a conference today. If you need something or have a really important question, feel free to email me. I'll be able to check my email every once in a while. So you'll be working on this today and tomorrow, and then your code course if you get done with this. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you on Monday.